Hello guys, a very good evening to you all. Here I am back with again a new video. Market has corrected today, right? So many of you might be getting panic what to do now and to which levels market might fall. So so worry is all for traders. If you are an investor, don't be worried. Just look for an opportunity. Uh, Whether you are getting any value picks at right price or not, every fall is an opportunity for an investor. So here I am back with some picks for value buying. So guys, right now, and it is very much imminent that before budget you'll always find some volatility in markets. So just because of the budget, which is an upcoming event, market is getting corrected a bit. So we are not sure of the levels, but we can get hold of right stocks at right price during every correction. So here I am with a few picks for value buying. Let's get into the video. So what are the opportunities right now you see to buy? First one, so what actually is value buying? What I feel is value buying is all about buying right stock at right price and also at right time. That is value buying. So here I am with a few picks for you all. That is, one is Reliance, HDFC AMC, SBI Life, Biocon, Muthoot Finance, and finally Relaxo. So if you observe these stocks, these are all from different sectors. So that's how your portfolio will be diversified. So I got different stocks from different sectors. Let's get into the video and let me tell you the levels at which you can buy these stocks. So right now I cannot say the market is bottomed out. So do not buy with all your money these stocks. Just buy these stocks in tranches. So suppose you have 10,000 rupees, buy 3,000 now. Then if it is falling again, if it is falling, you can buy it again. So you must buy these stocks in three levels. Keep money always available with you. So let me discuss the levels in these stocks to buy. So first of all, Reliance. Reliance is it has the highest capitalization, market cap. So right price to buy this is, even now you can directly get into this stock. If you are a new investor, if you do not have Reliance till now, you can start accumulating Reliance from the current price itself. So if you want right price to enter, this is around 1850 to 1880. So that is the right price, and I am not sure whether it will come to that level or not. So even right price, I recommend you to enter this stock and accumulate it every dip. So that is about Reliance. Next stock which I am going to discuss is HDFC AMC. HDFC AMC right price I feel is around 2850. This will I can see some more downfall in this stock. Wait for 2850. From then till 2720 you can accumulate this. If market corrects more, it may go to 2600 also. So on every dip, start accumulating this. So first level to start buying this is around 2850 to 2880. Start accumulating this. Next stock which I am going to discuss is SBI Life. SBI Life, this is again looking great. I can see value in this stock. This is a wonderful stock in life insurance space. Right now you can start accumulating this till it gets to 835. You can buy this stock. Next stock is Biocon. Biocon, you all might be know this. This is one of the leading players in pharma sector. This is actually available at cheapest value. Right now just enter into this stock, start accumulating in different levels. 380 to 390 is right level, 375 is the best price you can buy it at. Then next stock is, after Biocon, it is Muthoot. This is into gold business, gold loans. This is also I can see value in this also. Start accumulating this from right now. Again, I'm reiterating it. In tranches, you must accumulate these stocks. 1170 is right price. You can accumulate till 1130. Then wait. If it falls more, again you can buy it at average it at 1050. So that's how it is. Muthoot Finance. And last stock is Relaxo. Relaxo normally doesn't fall much. Even in this correction of past few days, it is available at 825. And I personally feel, I suggest this stock to you all to enter at current price and buy it on every dip. Okay, this has huge potential in it. Relaxo is a footwear company. You might be aware of it has different brands, so you can Google it. So this is the best stock among all the recommended stocks today. So start accumulating this. So that's all, friends. I'll come again back to you with a new video. Thank you so much for watching this. Bye bye. Take care.